After the hurricane passes, the real storm begins. Insurance adjusters lowball your claim. Deductibles wipe out your savings. Coverage gaps leave you tens of thousands short. You need $150,000 to rebuild. Insurance covered $80,000. Where do you find the other $70,000? There's a solution most Florida homeowners don't know about, and it could save your home. Section 1, the hidden resource. The Small Business Administration. You've heard the name and assumed it's only for businesses. You're wrong. The SBA is actually one of the largest sources of disaster recovery funding for homeowners and renters. Despite the name, these programs are designed specifically to help families like yours bridge the gap between insurance payouts and real costs to rebuild after hurricanes. Here's what's available. Up to $500,000 for home repairs and rebuilding, plus up to an additional $100,000 to replace personal property, furniture, appliances, clothing, electronics, everything you lost. That's up to $600,000 in total federal disaster recovery funding loans when you need it most. And here's the game changer. SBA interest rates can be as low as 2.813%. Compare that to home equity or construction loans at 7 to 10%, personal loans averaging over 12%, or credit cards charging 18.25%. Section 2, benefits. Obviously, these low rates save homeowners much needed money after a disaster, the reason for the program. But it gets better. You get 12 months from your first loan disbursement with 0 payments required and 0 interest accrual. That's an entire year to focus on rebuilding without worrying about loan payments. And here's something most people miss. The SBA program may allow for up to 20% additional funding for hurricane mitigation improvements. If you have $200,000 in verified damage, you may qualify for up to $40,000 extra to strengthen your home against future storms. Hurricane straps, impact-resistant windows, home elevation, storm shutters protection that could save you from going through this nightmare again. That means you're not just rebuilding, you're building back stronger, safer, and more valuable. Section 3, who qualifies? So, who's eligible? If you're in a federally declared disaster area, which includes most of Florida after major hurricanes, and your primary residence sustained damage, you likely qualify. Homeowners with damaged primary residences qualify. Renters who lost personal property qualify. Even if you have insurance, if it doesn't fully cover your losses, you qualify for the portion of losses that your insurance did not pay. What about credit? Here's the truth. The SBA is more flexible than traditional lenders. They consider your complete financial picture, not just your credit score. Poor credit doesn't automatically disqualify you. And there are no income restrictions. Whether you're low income or high income, you can qualify based on your ability to repay the loan. Important note, these loans cover primary residences only. Vacation homes and investment properties don't qualify under homeowner programs. Section 4, the application process simplified. The application process is straightforward. Let me walk you through it. Step 1, register with FEMA first. Visit disasterassistance.gov or call 1-800-621-FEMA. This takes about 20 minutes and ensures you're enrolled for all available federal disaster aid. Have ready your social security number, property address, current contact info, insurance details, and a description of your damage. Step 2, submit your SBA application online at sba.gov/disaster. The MySBA Loan portal gives you real-time status tracking and faster processing. You'll provide personal information, property details, damage description, insurance coverage, financial information, and upload supporting documents. Prefer face-to-face help? Visit FEMA Disaster Recovery Centers or SBA Disaster Loan Outreach Centers throughout affected areas. Walk-in assistance is often available with bilingual staff. Or call the SBA Customer Service Center at 1-800-659-2955, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. Email support is also available at disastercustomerservice@sba.gov. Critical deadline. You must apply within 60 days of the disaster declaration. Don't wait, apply as soon as possible after the storm. Section 5. What happens next? Once you apply, here's what to expect. The SBA reviews your application and performs a credit check within 2 to 3 weeks. They may request additional documentation, respond quickly to avoid delays. An SBA loss verifier will contact you to schedule a property inspection. They'll assess the actual damage and determine your eligible loan amount. Be present during the inspection and show them everything. After review, you'll receive your loan decision. Straightforward applications take 2 to 3 weeks. During high-volume disaster periods, allow 4 to 6 weeks. Once approved, you'll sign loan documents and the SBA begins dispersing funds, typically in stages as reconstruction progresses. Initial disbursement covers immediate needs and emergency repairs. Funds come via direct deposit or checks mailed to your address. Some payments go jointly to you and contractors. Section 6. Required documentation. To speed your approval, gather these documents before applying. Personal ID and social security numbers, recent tax returns and pay stubs, bank and investment statements, current mortgage and debt statements, property deed and insurance policies. Most importantly, photographs and videos documenting all hurricane damage, insurance claim documentation, contractor repair estimates, receipts for any emergency repairs you've already paid for. Upload through the MySBA portal, email them, or deliver in person at outreach centers. Don't let missing documents delay you. Apply with what you have and send the rest later. Like many government programs, SBA offers many great benefits designed to help you get back into your home. But along with those benefits comes bureaucracy and red tape. Timelines and answers may take longer than you expect, especially when there is a large disaster. Don't get frustrated if things take a while or if an SBA agent doesn't seem to have the answers you need. Be patient and persistent, and you will get the help you need. Insurance didn't cover everything. Your savings are depleted, but you have options. Up to $500,000 for repairs at just 2.813% interest. 25-year repayment terms. 12 months with no payments. Possible additional mitigation funding to build back stronger. This is how Florida families recover completely, not by going into crushing debt, not by settling for partial repairs, but by accessing the federal disaster assistance you're entitled to. Don't wait. Visit disasterassistance.gov to register with FEMA. Then go to sba.gov/disaster to apply. Or call 1-800-659-2955 for immediate assistance. Remember, you often have just 60 days from the disaster declaration to apply. SBA Disaster Loans, up to $600,000, as low as 2.813%. Your path to complete recovery.